Can I have some?
You're sitting right here, and I would go get water. You look under the cushion?
Can I have some? Let me have some. Let me have some.
Come in.
Oh my goodness. Can I have some? Are you gonna hide it from me? Can I have some? She's trying to put it behind her bag or something. Uh-oh, here she comes. Are you gonna come beat me up? Okay, here. She's out of here. Took it and ran. Oh my goodness. She got all happy.
Okay, I got one.
No. Please.
Daddy.
I know.
So, brother,
I'm just
no,
playing with
no.
her. I'm just playing with her.
No. Have some, please. Huh?
Oh, you're sharing.
Daddy.
Oh, I don't want it. You can have it.
It's nice and hairy.
Can I have some? Ah?
We're putting it on the carpet.
Ah?
I don't want it. If you don't want it, just throw it
Yummy.
away.
Thank you.
Okay, let's do a babysit.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You just made her day. Mmm.
Wait, I was the kid.
Oh, you're so smart. That is green.
Can I have it, please? Can I?
No. Tell Daddy,
Can I?
no.
No, come on. Oh my goodness, you're silly. Can I have it?
You got stuck there.
Can I have it, please?
Wrong side.
Wrong side. You have another one. You have one. Look it. You have another one. Okay, here.
What color is this?
Let me have this one then. Hey, where did it go? Where'd you put it? But you have that one. See? Okay, here. Can I have it? Can I have it, please?
You see, you turned with the lollipop. Good time. Just suck on it.
Thank you. Look it. Here. Uh-oh.
Poor baby.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, here. She's all another one? Thank you. No more, buddy. Maybe we'll save it.
Put it in the bag.
Wrong side. There it is. Thank you. Can I have some, please? Thank you. Hey, you tricked me. Can I have some, please?
This is like Teresa. Mommy.
Can I have this one? Okay. Can I have that one?
Leilani, say
No.
Leilani, say no, no, no. No, no, no. It's in,
No. Chicken and me. No.
You're loud. I just...
Why is chicken me? I'm gonna shake your butt.
Okay, I won't chick you anymore.
What color is this
Bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
one? What color is that?
Say bye-bye.
Green.
Bye. Can I have this one?
Whoa.
Bye.
What are you doing? You got dirt on your nose.